Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class 8 English Unit 3 Travel in Space Lecture number 2. As we have completed the reading and explanation of the unit, today we are moving on to the vocabulary words of this unit. Write the meanings of the following vocabulary words in your literature notebook. The sentences on the right will help you to understand the meanings more easily. The first word is satellite. Satellite means a spacecraft or a spaceship. For example, the Hubble telescope is a satellite that takes pictures of the objects in the space. Number 2, anticipate. Anticipate means to forecast or to know about an event before its actual time. For example, he anticipated about the victory of his team. Means he knew about the victory of his team before the actual victory. Number 3, penny for thoughts. Penny for thoughts means to ask about the ongoing thoughts or the current thoughts in a person's mind. For example, you have been quiet for a while. A penny for your thoughts means you have been quiet for a while. What is going on in your mind? What are your current thoughts? What are you thinking about? Number 4, jerked. Jerked means pulled. For example, I jerked my jacket out of the cupboard, or I pulled the jacket out of my cupboard. Number 5, plunged. Plunged means to jump. For example, he plunged on the sofa out of excitement, or he jumped on the sofa out of excitement. The next word is covet. Covet means to ask. For example, we should covet for Allah's mercy at all times, or we should ask for Allah's mercy at all times. Number 7, ellipse. It is different from eclipse. Eclipse is a different thing. This is ellipse. Ellipse means oval in shape or flattened circles. For example, the orbit of the earth is an ellipse or is an oval. Number 8, clinched. Clinched means saved or confirmed. For example, the company quickly clinched the deal, or the company clinched the deal quickly means it confirmed the deal, it saved the deal quickly. The next one is cargo. Cargo means the goods. For example, the cargo is on its way to Multan, means the goods are on its way to Multan. If the goods are plural, still cargo does not have an S in its spelling because it is already a plural thing. So when you're using cargo in the sentence, you have to use is as the helping verb, but when you're using goods as the noun, you have to use are as the helping verb. The cargo is, but the goods are. Both are plural, but the difference is in the spelling. The next one is crew. Crew means a team. For example, the search team is looking for the chimpanzee, or the search crew is looking for the chimpanzee. Whatever you want to write, both have the same meanings. The next one is prior. Prior means before. So, for example, a day prior to my birthday is my mother's birthday, or a day before to my birthday is my mother's birthday. The next word is ignition. Ignition means burn. For example, gas is used for the ignition of stove in kitchen. Next one is on pins and needles. On pins and needles is a phrase. It is used to show nervousness and excitement at the same time. For example, sometimes we are nervous and excited both at the same time. So to express that kind of emotion, we use a phrase which is on pins and needles. So for example, I am on pins and needles for my audition means I am excited and nervous for my audition. Enthusiastic means energetically or energetic. We played enthusiastically for the victory of our team, or we played energetically for the victory of our team. The next one is vigorously. Vigorously means strongly, powerfully. He vigorously denied the allegations or the blame, the accusations And to deny vigorously means to strongly, to powerfully deny, refuse. A-OK. A-OK is used to describe the best condition of a person, of an object, of any noun. For example, if I ask you, how are you? You can say, I am A-OK, means I am in the best condition, I am totally fine. For example, my parcel was A-OK on its delivery, means it was in the best condition on its delivery. The next one is deafening. The word deafening means too loud. It is used to describe any sound which is too loud. For example, the music in the party was deafening, means the music in the party was too loud, extremely loud or noisy. The next word is tremendous. Tremendous means something huge, immense, enormous. For example, he has faced a tremendous loss in his business, or he has faced a huge loss in his business. The next one is bellowed, which means rose or went up. Rose is here used as a second form of the verb rise, means to go up. It's not used in the sense of that flower. Bellowed means to rise or to go up. For example, the clouds bellowed up in the sky. The last word is cradle. Cradle is a bed which is used by babies to sleep. For example, my brother was sleeping in his cradle. So these are all the difficult words from this unit. You have to write the meanings of the following vocabulary words in your literature notebook and learn them by heart as your homework. I will see you in the next class. Until then, take care and